Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. This is my third vlog of the channel, and today is Sunday, right? And I wrote down a very tiny list of things that I want to do today. So my granny asked me to bake, so I'm going to bake, clean up the kitchen after baking, and then create content for like TikTok and YouTube shorts, right? And I'm thinking that this is going to be it might even be a 3-day vlog, not just a 2-day vlog, because I want to see how much content I can put in one vlog, but not make it too long, maybe like 20 minutes to 30 minutes. But let's see. Starting off a vlog on a Sunday feels really cool. So I wrote down some content that I want to do for this week. My lip gloss is almost finished. Some content that I want to do for this week. Wrote it down here. It's a very small list. So I have a skincare video for YouTube. This vlog I'm planning on uploading it on Saturday or Sunday just to see how my week goes, and then short content videos of 2 creative makeup looks, because I've already filmed the pre-transitions. That's what I was doing right now. I think I filmed like 2 pre-transition videos and like maybe 4 fun, exciting videos of me dancing or some relatable content for like TikTok and YouTube shorts. So that's my weekly plan for a full-time content creator who's now a vlogger. Cheers! Imagine if this was a cooking channel. I think that would be a disaster. I'm not very good at baking, but it's easy mix, so it shouldn't be that hard. I've made easy mix baked goods before. It's so simple, yeah. I can do this. Wet ingredients or dry ingredients first? Oh, I'm gonna put the dry ingredients first. Actually, don't watch me. You're making me nervous. I know how to bake. Okay, much better. These are all the dry ingredients. Concentrate, otherwise I'm going to make a mess. Well, you can really mess up easy mix, right? Oh no. Oh no, there's shells in here. I put shells in here. I think I put shells in the eggs. There are definitely shells in here. Don't worry, I'll get rid of them. I got the shells out. Yay! There's just a tiny bit of shells, right? It's not that bad. Not that bad. These are ready for the oven. No. There you go. 20 minutes. Change. I'm in pajamas. Not much of an outfit change, is it now? Just pajamas. Okay, let's go check on our muffins. Because I left them in the kitchen. Let's go see them. My ring light is falling. No, something just broke. Ta-da! Last batch. Wear gloves, wear gloves. You'll burn. These are the muffins. Aren't they cute? Cute little muffins. And there's the second batch. That looks a bit crusty, but yeah. I'm about to read my Bible and have some tea. And the muffins are just finished baking. After that, I'm going to watch some YouTube, TikTok, and then sleep. Hopefully I sleep before 11. I know I'm going to sleep around maybe 10:30, so that's good. Hi. So during this week while I was filming, I ran out of space. Oh, by the way, hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know when you're watching this, but hi. So we have run out of space on our phone while we were filming, so I couldn't exactly complete this whole vlog. I only have this last footage that I just filmed right now of me making the banana smoothie. It is nice. I just wish I put more honey so it can be sweeter. I love sweet things. But I'm so glad that I was able to film the rest of this vlog. I have been filming some content, like creative makeup looks. I did like a pink alien glam earlier this week, and I washed my hair and put it in cornrows. I'm still working on how I plait my hair and how I keep it in a protective style. I just want to conclude this vlog, and hopefully I can continue to record consistently for the next forever. I want to vlog for the rest of my life, and I'm just having so much fun. I found a way to create more space on my cell phone. A friend of mine who's also a YouTuber advised me that I should create more space by loading off some of my apps. That's what I did. That's how I was able to get this footage. I'm so happy. Thank you. If you're watching this, thank you very much. You really helped me. This is the end of the vlog. It is Saturday and I started filming on Sunday. So I have a few footages there, here and there, but I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to check out my shorts and my TikToks and my Instagram reels. I have some pictures for you.